Obsession. Seeking justice is not obsession and driven. If anyone is attempting to portray me as obsessed with a particular individual while suggesting that my truths are intended to destroy them, it's a complete fabrication and manipulation. Since 2017, I have been open about the fact that I have been targeted in this tarot community. To summarize, I have dealt with hacking incidents that I reported before, and even family members questioned whether I had created a new Facebook account that I didn't, and I think this happened twice. And then when I reopened an old Facebook account after a long time, I noticed comments from strangers I couldn't even confirm I had interacted with. I just really couldn't remember, and I don't see myself talking to these people either. Occasionally, I'd receive calls claiming I had called them when I didn't, and I have also faced situations involving critical documents that for some reason I couldn't understand. I failed to notice initially, and if not for persistence, intuition, and a bit of luck, I would have missed it entirely. And some I did. So one particular incident occurred within the tarot community where I was heavily attacked. There was a woman accusing me of actions I didn't commit. So I recognized that I was being scapegoated, but these events were genuinely happening to me, and some family members even witnessed them. So to analyze the situation, the actual obsession lies with the individual who has been lying and manipulating within this community, someone who has persecuted me for years. And this person, along with a group of tarot readers involved in malicious behavior, is not a victim but a manipulator. So for years, this person's deceit and manipulation were aimed at persecuting me to the point of wanting me silenced or worse, dead. Their actions speak of obsession, not mine. If you have to, well, I think it's common sense, right? If you have to pay a tarot reader and say you're obsessed, in which it cannot be denied because there's a video that was made before, showing a screenshot that came from their tarot readers that someone was paying this tarot reader to lie in the shot specific messages. And in studying it, if you study it, there was a pattern in the readings that is systematically uploaded, suggesting organization and collaboration of these witches. So really, it's an organized crime. So the person's main agenda was to cast an illusion of what I am, and the person casted an illusion of what the person is truly is. And there was a video of a tarot reader who somehow admitted and made a video about it, of what they were doing. So why? Well, the targeting is full of fake news, but as the psychopaths gave me so much bullshit, they also gave me truth. So really, it's like the truth came out, but the narcissists tried their best to confuse people and conceal the truth. So these people knew what they were doing, and they know that I know. So these videos of the compilation of the truth coming from the tarot readers as well will be shown in a later date.